Looking for a docking station that truly boosts your productivity without complicating your workspace? The modular Thunderbolt 4 dock offers a seamless connection experience, packing the highest number of ports into a single device. It's designed to handle multiple 4K displays and Thunderbolt peripherals with ease, all through just one cable. This means less clutter and more focus on what matters. What sets this dock apart is its modular design with swappable modules, allowing easy upgrades without replacing the entire unit. Plus, its SuperBoost technology delivers fast charging to keep your devices powered up and ready to go. Whether you're running Windows 10 or Windows 11, this dock adapts to your setup, providing reliable performance every time. With 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-C 3. 2 Gen 2, USB-A 3. 2 Gen 1 with PowerShare, and multiple display outputs including DisplayPort 1. 4 and HDMI 2.0, it's built to support everything you need. The 40 GB per second data transfer speed ensures your files move quickly between devices, cutting down wait times and keeping your workflow smooth. One user praised it as the perfect docking station for their work-from-home setup, highlighting how it charges their Dell Latitude 5500 laptop while connecting 2 monitors and a Bluetooth speaker. The mix of USB-A and USB-C ports on the front makes plugging in and transferring data effortless, exactly when needed. If you're juggling multiple devices and crave a clean, efficient workspace, this dock delivers what you need. It's not just about connecting devices, it's about enhancing your entire work experience. The modular upgrade path means you stay future-ready without extra hassle. Worth a look if you want a versatile dock that grows with your tech. The combination of robust port options, fast data transfer, and reliable power delivery makes it a smart choice for professionals who demand more from their gear. Try the modular Thunderbolt 4 dock when you're ready to streamline your workspace and stay powered throughout your busiest days. It's more than a dock, it's the foundation for a productive, connected setup that adapts as you do.